So this is the US oil, WTI as it's otherwise known, analysis for Tuesday the 26th of September. Now, let's just see what's happened. Now, let's just get a weekly chart open, see where we are in relation to it. It's gone off the rails there. Let's just see where we are. Hopefully this works. Yep. Here we go. Where did we open this week? We opened at 50.60, which I identified earlier. 50.40 previously being resistance, now acting as support. Now I go down to the hourly chart. We said I said I'd use the 50.40 rather than mark the 50.60 on the chart, but 50.60 identified it, pointed it out in yesterday's analysis. Now 50.40 being support, 50.40 being the weekly open, 50.60 being the weekly open, and 50.40 previously being resistance, and now acting as support, providing a springboard for a move to the upside. I identified I was bullish the market, particularly as we were trading above the monthly open. Even though we do appear to be in a small trading range, we have had your higher lows. We've had the low over here when we've had a 26.08, higher low and a higher low, even though we are currently within a consolidative, some might identify as a consolidative range. If we do break out of this range, the height being around about $55 a barrel, I'm expecting prices to go on to test the $60 a barrel price mark. So let's just go back down to the hourly. Down the hourly chart, I did identify 52.22 being a possible area of resistance. We've seen price perform pretty strongly today. It's moved from the 50.40, which was previously resistance, that's now acting as support, and moved all the way up into the 52.22 region, which I identified previously. And we are pulling back a little, somewhat, but this is the markets are pretty much closed at the moment. We're expecting the Asian session to start pretty soon. And let's just see, the height was 52.25. So yep, pretty much perfect. And I am expecting further continuation to the upside. So the next test would be a minor test at 52.80, but the next significant test would be at 53.54, after which $55 a barrel would be the next area of interest. So my overall view on the US oil, WTI, is bullish, and a further continuation if we can break and hold 52.22. To the downside, the downside target is pretty obvious, being 50.40, after which we're looking at around 49.50. But I expect a further continuation to the upside on US oil. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.